Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Homemade and natural deodorant against underarm odor. Have you ever thought about replacing industrially produced deodorants with more natural versions? Do you like healthier alternatives that are good for the environment? In today's video, you'll learn how to make a natural, long-lasting deodorant for underarm odor at home. But first, what product do you use for your deodorant? Do you use conventional, natural, or homemade deodorants? The most commonly used deodorants these days are antiperspirants, which contain many ingredients such as triclosan, parabens, fragrances, aluminum, and alcohol that can be harmful to our health. Also, did you know that aluminum salts can cause dermatitis? This type of product can cause clogged pores and even lead to infections. The recipe we're going to show you isn't only free of chemical ingredients and reduces odor, but also fights bacteria on the skin. It's easy to use and the results are wonderful. I think it's great because not only is it convenient, but you can choose the scent you want. For your natural, long-lasting deodorant, you'll need 3 tablespoons of cocoa butter, 2 tablespoons of starch, corn, arrowroot, potato, cassava, 1 tablespoon baking soda, 5 to 10 drops essential oil, optional. Place the cocoa butter in a glass container in a water bath to melt. Heat the water over low heat so the butter doesn't oxidize. When it's melted, turn off the heat. Mix the other 2 ingredients together. When warm or cold, add the essential oil. I recommend Melaleuca for those who sweat easily and get a sweaty smell. Lavender is recommended for those who have sensitive skin. But remember not to use citrus essential oils like orange or lemon because they can burn your skin if exposed to the sun. Now just keep it in a tightly sealed glass jar. You can apply it with your finger after your bath and use it for up to 2 months. This recipe is very convenient to make, doesn't irritate your armpit, and leaves you smelling great all day. Did you like the recipe? Make it and then let us know what you think. If you like the recipe, share it with your friends and family. I'm sure they'll love it too. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.